Ever tried to send money to a friend in another country, only to be met with a digital brick wall? Or maybe you've stumbled upon a sleek-looking crypto wallet online, promising seamless transactions, but you're left wondering, does this thing even work where I live? Specifically, if you're in Nigeria, you might be asking yourself, does Newton Wallet work in Nigeria? That's the million-naira question, isn't it? In a world where financial technology is constantly evolving, it's easy to get lost in the maze of apps, platforms, and regulations. And let's be honest, when it comes to money, you want to be absolutely sure. You want clarity. You want to know if that shiny new tool you found online is actually going to be useful, or just another headache. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Newton Wallet and its presence in Nigeria, let's take a step back. Why is this even a question we need to ask? Why does it matter if a digital wallet works in a specific country? Well, the answer lies in the complex interplay of technology, finance, and regulation. Every country has its own set of rules and guidelines governing financial transactions. These regulations are designed to protect consumers, prevent fraud, and maintain the stability of the financial system. And when it comes to digital wallets and cryptocurrencies, these regulations can be particularly complex and ever-changing. Think about it. Nigeria, like many other nations, has been navigating the rapid growth of fintech and crypto. The Central Bank of Nigeria has issued various directives and guidelines regarding cryptocurrencies, aiming to balance innovation with financial stability. This means that a wallet that works seamlessly in one country might face significant restrictions or limitations in another. And let's not forget the practical considerations. Even if a wallet is technically available in Nigeria, does it actually offer the features and functionalities that Nigerian users need? Are there reliable payment gateways for Naira deposits and withdrawals? Are the transaction fees reasonable? Is customer support readily available? These are the questions that really matter to the average Nigerian user. They want a wallet that is not only accessible but also practical, secure, and user-friendly. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Does Newton Wallet work in Nigeria? The answer, as with many things in the world of fintech, is a bit nuanced. Newton Wallet, primarily known as a Canadian cryptocurrency brokerage, offers a platform for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. However, its accessibility and functionality in Nigeria are subject to several factors. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that Newton's core services are designed for the Canadian market. This means that certain features, such as direct bank transfers and fiat currency on-ramps, are primarily geared towards Canadian users. Secondly, the regulatory landscape in Nigeria plays a significant role. The Central Bank of Nigeria's stance on cryptocurrencies has led to restrictions on certain types of crypto transactions. This can impact the ability of Nigerian users to seamlessly deposit and withdraw funds from platforms like Newton. Thirdly, while Newton may technically be accessible to users in Nigeria through their website or app, the practical challenges of using it can be substantial. For example, Nigerian users might face difficulties in verifying their accounts due to the reliance on Canadian identification documents. They might also encounter issues with payment gateways, as many traditional Nigerian banks do not directly support crypto transactions. Furthermore, the issue of currency conversion is a major consideration. Newton Wallet primarily operates in Canadian dollars. This means that Nigerian users would need to convert their Naira to another currency, such as USD or a cryptocurrency, before using the platform. This adds an extra layer of complexity and potential fees. Now, let's delve into some of the specific challenges that Nigerian users might face when trying to use Newton Wallet. Verification issues. As mentioned earlier, account verification can be a significant hurdle. Newton Wallet might require users to provide Canadian identification documents, which are obviously not readily available to most Nigerians. This can lead to delays or even prevent users from accessing the platform altogether. Payment gateways. The lack of direct Naira payment gateways is another major challenge. Nigerian users might need to rely on third-party exchanges or peer-to-peer platforms to convert their naira to cryptocurrencies before depositing them into Newton. This adds an extra step and introduces potential security risks. Transaction fees, currency conversion, and cross-border transactions can incur significant fees. Nigerian users need to carefully consider these fees before using Newton Wallet, as they can eat into their profits. Customer support. While Newton offers customer support, the availability and responsiveness of support for Nigerian users might be limited. This can be a major issue if users encounter technical problems or need assistance with their accounts. Regulatory uncertainty. The ever-changing regulatory landscape in Nigeria adds another layer of uncertainty. What might be permissible today could be restricted tomorrow. This makes it difficult for Nigerian users to rely on platforms like Newton for long-term financial planning. So, what are the alternatives for Nigerian users looking for reliable and accessible cryptocurrency platforms? There are several options available, including local exchanges that offer naira payment gateways, international platforms that support Nigerian users, and peer-to-peer marketplaces. Local exchanges. Several Nigerian cryptocurrency exchanges offer naira payment gateways, making it easy for users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using their local bank accounts. These platforms are often more familiar with the Nigerian regulatory landscape and can provide better customer support. International platforms. Some international cryptocurrency exchanges have expanded their services to include Nigerian users. These platforms may offer a wider range of cryptocurrencies and features, but users need to carefully consider the fees and payment options. Peer-to-peer marketplaces. Peer-to-peer marketplaces allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other. This can offer greater flexibility and lower fees, but users need to be aware of the potential risks involved. It's important to do your research and choose a platform that is reputable, secure, and meets your specific needs. Consider factors such as fees, payment options, customer support, and security features. In conclusion, while Newton Wallet might be technically accessible in Nigeria, its practical usability is limited by several factors, including regulatory restrictions, payment gateway limitations, and verification challenges. Nigerian users might find it more convenient and reliable to use local exchanges or international platforms that specifically cater to the Nigerian market. The world of fintech is constantly changing. New platforms and technologies are emerging all the time. It's essential to stay informed and adapt to these changes. Always do your due diligence and choose platforms that are reputable and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.